In today's video, we are going to show you how to deposit funds into your Deriv account using Binance. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is you want to make sure that you are logged in for both of your account in Deriv and Binance. In Deriv, all I have to do is simple. Go to the option that says deposit. And then what will happen is you will be forwarded to a new page. All I have to do here is simple. You need to choose the cryptocurrency deposit option. Deriv usually supports several cryptocurrencies such as Solana, TRX, Bitcoin, USD. In our case, we are going to use USDT since it's one of the most commonly used options. Now choose the network carefully. This step is extremely important because when selecting USDT, Deriv will show you available blockchain network such as Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain, Solana, Avalanche, Polygon. It's up to you. Make sure you remember the exact network shown in Deriv because the same network must be selected inside Binance. For example, if Deriv gives you a TRC20 or Tron, you must send a USDT using the TRC20 or Tron from Binance. I want you to copy the deposit address and then go to your Binance account. All I have to do now is go to the dashboard, locate the dashboard. By hovering on the top right corner, click your profile icon. Inside the dashboard, click the Withdraw Crypto option. And then all I have to do is choose the same cryptocurrency you selected in Deriv, which is going to be USDT. Now, all I have to do is paste the wallet address you copied from Deriv into the recipient address field, which is going to be this one. And then select the network, which is TRX. Always verify the wallet address, blockchain network, and the amount you are sending. In this case, we're going to be choosing this. Binance will usually show the network fees, final amount received, and make sure you leave enough balance for withdrawal fees if applicable. Once everything looks correct, all I have to do now is click the withdraw or confirm. Binance may ask for email verification, SMS verification, or sometimes authenticator code. Complete all the verification process to continue. Now, once completed, okay, the funds should appear in your Deriv account balance automatically. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you deposit funds into your Deriv account from Binance. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.